Thokozani, Emakhosini, Thokozani Bokopo, Thokozani Momkulu, Thokozani, everyone that is watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, for being here. Those of you that do not know me, my name is Robin Malupi. If you want to connect, you can connect with me on TikTok, Nkosazana Robin or Robin Malupi, and also on Instagram, Nkosazana Robin, Thokozani. So lana ngiphathele another combo, guys. Those of you that say Koko angilali kahle hloshwa nje into letibheke eceleni, please bear in mind this is not ngathini, this is not the final or i-ritual etokusita ukuthi yatikuthini letinto letitosuka, but itokhona ukuthi ikuvikele, lokho kuyakuvikela, but trust me, sooner or later mtimba wakho utocala ukuthi u-react, ungasa-react, and then whatever that you're trying to protect yourself from kutocala kuk-attack. So lena is just a temporary solution, yeah, into le temporal ungayisebenzisa so that uzame ukuthi uhlanganise ama-coins akho khona ukuthi uthole lisito lofuna uthole lisito lolidzingakalako, something like that, yeah. Thokozani. So I hope ngiyavakala. So utongitholela ivimbela yakhona from Indlovu. I highly recommend this one. Iyasebenza. I know it does. And then utongitholela na this holy oil. And then you're gonna mix these two together. I hope ngiyavakala, guys. Uyakumixa. Make sure ukuthi na ukumixa, guys, ucleansile kuqala, uqale wageza, guys, uqale wageza wasusa amathunzi lamnyama, wasusa tinweti mnyama ukuze nayo tinweti khona ukuthi tikusebenzele. Uyangi-understand ukuthi ngithini? Tikhona ukuthi tikusebenzele. And then you're gonna pray for these things as well. You don't just use things without praying kuqala. So utotithandazela and then utimixe, kumbe uyatiphahlela yatithandazela kuku, and then uyatimixa. After qeda ukutimixa, then naso uyolala kumbe na uqeda ukugeza uyaqobisa, uyaqobisa, umake sure ukuthi uqobisa lawa ukuthi this thing iku-attack khona. Make sure ukuthi netinyawo takho they are covered, your hands are covered, your head is covered. And then ngasho ngithi not inside your private area but emaceleni, on the sides of your private area. Make sure to equip as well. If ushusha indolilala na ebusuku or something, we understand. And then if you want as well, you can mix also unga-eda i-holy ash. Yes, unga-eda i-holy ash kancane, not kakhulu, kancane, pinch of holy ash. And then mix everything together, uthandazele, and then uyaqobisa na so uyolala. And then also as well, you can use this combo. Now we are M17. Now phuma wathi ukuthi udzinga i-protection, right? Ngicela ukuthi nikhumbule, guys, tinto atisebenzi without umthandazo. Thandaza kuqala, dithandazele letinto takho. Now phuma also as well before going anywhere. Thandaza kude into lehlula umthandazo. Thokozani Emakhosini. Thank you guys for watching. So I'm just gonna show you again. These are the two things that you can use. Emakhosini. Thokozani.